Hey explorers, welcome to GeoVenture. Please like and subscribe for more adventures. Our planet, this remarkable blue sphere spinning in the vastness of space, holds within it treasures of incalculable worth. Did you know that just a handful of extraordinary ecosystems provide the very air we breathe, regulate our climate, and sustain a web of life so intricate it defies imagination? These are not merely beautiful landscapes. They are the vital organs of a living world, and their health is inextricably linked to our own survival and the future of all humanity. Today, we embark on a journey, a grand tour of the 10 most vital places that keep our planet alive. We will travel from the deepest forests to the most vibrant oceans, uncovering the unique role each plays in maintaining the delicate balance of our world. For each of these natural wonders, I will share one surprising, often overlooked reason why its contribution is utterly indispensable. Join us as we explore these cornerstones of life. We begin our journey in the heart of South America, in a realm that can only be described as the lungs of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. Spanning 9 countries, this colossal basin of green is a world unto itself. A vibrant tapestry of life so dense and diverse that much of it remains a mystery to science. A forest so vast it generates its own weather, creating flying rivers of moisture that influence climate patterns thousands of miles away. The primary role of the Amazon, known to many, is its function as a colossal carbon sink, transforming atmospheric carbon dioxide into the very wood, leaves, and roots that form their structure. It is estimated that the Amazon stores between 150 and 200 billion tons of carbon, a staggering amount that, if released, would catastrophically alter our global climate. But the Amazon's value extends far beyond carbon. It is a cradle of unparalleled biodiversity. For millennia, this forest has also been home to humanity. Yet, this vital organ is under threat. Deforestation, mining, and logging tear at the fabric of this ecosystem. The Amazon's health directly influences the rain that falls on farms in North America and climates in Europe. Its fate is not a regional issue, it is a global one. Our next destination takes us to the heart of Africa, the Congo Basin. A second great lung, home to iconic wildlife and profound intelligence in misty forests. Beyond its canopy lies its greatest secret, the world's largest tropical peatland complex, holding 30 billion tons of carbon. Drainage or disturbance could unleash massive greenhouse gases, almost impossible to stop. Protecting the Congo safeguards people and a colossal carbon store. We now leave the great forests and plunge beneath the waves into a realm of dazzling color, the Coral Triangle. Often called the Amazon of the seas. It contains 76% of the world's known coral species, home to more than 6,000 species of fish. Fisheries here provide food and livelihoods for over 120 million people. These reefs are nurseries, seeding the Pacific with life, including tuna. They serve as natural seawalls, dissipating storm energy and protecting coasts. Yet this nursery is fragile. Warming seas, bleaching, acidification, and destructive practices push it to the brink. We travel to the world's single largest living structure, Australia's Great Barrier Reef, an economic powerhouse that depends entirely on reef health. It is the world's most visible indicator of oceanic climate change. Unprecedented mass bleaching events driven by warming seas are turning reefs ghostly white. Local efforts help, but survival now hinges on cutting global emissions and stabilizing climate. The Great Barrier Reef is our canary in the coal mine, a stark, urgent warning for us all. Its fate reflects our global actions. We now journey to the top of the world, the Arctic. Its brilliant white surfaces reflect the sun's energy, cooling the planet. As ice melts, darker surfaces absorb more heat, a dangerous feedback loop. Thawing permafrost threatens to release vast stores of carbon dioxide and methane, Indigenous cultures intimately connected to ice and animals face daily realities as ice routes change and travel grows perilous. Melting opens new routes and access to oil and minerals, a perilous paradox. South of the tundra lies the boreal forest, the world's largest land biome. Its cold, wet soils lock away colossal carbon over millennia. Warming drives larger, more intense fires, even overwintering zombie fires, turning sinks into sources. A critical habitat for iconic species. Billions of birds link the boreal to ecosystems across the globe. Forests influence clouds and precipitation far beyond their borders. They help stabilize the boundary between Arctic and southern air masses. Disturbing this immense forest risks altering weather patterns continents depend upon. Its role is both carbon vault and climate engineer. We now travel to an island so unique it is often considered the eighth continent, Madagascar. Isolated for 88 million years, an astonishing 90% of its wildlife is found only here, a living laboratory of evolution and potential medicines. But over 90% of original forest cover is gone. A poignant link. Poverty drives environmental loss, which deepens poverty. Conservation must invest in sustainable livelihoods, education, and healthcare. To the roof of the world, the eastern Himalayas. From subtropical jungles to permanent snowfields, a land of dramatic verticality. The water tower of Asia sustains 1.5 billion people downstream, a biodiversity hotspot shaped by altitude. Deep spiritual ties have fostered traditional conservation ethics. Rapidly retreating glaciers mean short-term flood risk and long-term seasonal rivers and water insecurity. The fate of these remote glaciers is tied to the future of Asia's great civilizations. Water towers, culture, and biodiversity are inseparable. We descend to the coast, the mangrove forests, focusing on the Sundarbans. Blue carbon powerhouses, dense roots and oxygen-poor mudlock carbon for centuries. Critical nurseries that replenish coastal fisheries. Natural protective barriers against storm surges and tsunamis. They are being squeezed, cleared inland and drowned seaward as seas rise. Home to mangrove tigers, and our greatest coastal ally at risk. At the southern tip of South America, Patagonia, a vast, wild region, the largest non-polar ice fields, vital freshwater reservoirs, a sanctuary for biodiversity across land and sea, a model for large-scale conservation, new parks, wildlife returning, rewilding in action. Set aside land for intrinsic value, biodiversity, and future generations. We have journeyed across the globe, witnessing the 10 vital organs of our living planet. Each contributes to climate stability, biodiversity, and human well-being. Their fate is our fate, yet hope is not lost. If this journey has moved you, please subscribe to GeoVenture. Continue exploring, share this video, and tell us which place surprised you most. These treasures are our shared inheritance, and in saving them, we are ultimately saving ourselves.